G'day guys and welcome back, and today in here we have another huge old saw project. This is a Bebo 125 125cc, obviously as you can see straight up very old. This is a float bowl carby saw, so you can't turn this thing on its side to side cut. The motor has to be upright all the time, so instead you've got your pinion and crown gear drive down there, and you actually flip this up, I believe, to turn the bar on its side and rotate it around that pinion gear. Open sprocket, as you see. The oiler is there. Manual clutch. There's your clutch, engaged or disengaged. Your throttle is there. All very makeshift kind of thing. It nearly looks homemade. Your cable pull start. There's no rope there. Fuel fill, I believe, is here, and your oil fill, I think, might even be through the actual plunger for the oiler there, but I'm not sure. I'll have to look at that and see if I can get it back in. Hopefully. There we go. But yeah, this thing is really unique, that's for sure. Our bar and chain obviously are down here for it. Big pitch chain. I'm not sure what pitch it actually is, but I would say it's probably 1/2 inch. Just at a guess. But yeah, we're going to go through this thing today, see if we can get it fired up and running. I know it turns over. I know it has all right compression, it seems. I'll put a spark plug boot on there, and we'll see what happens. So we'll give it a fire through, I believe the air filter is meant to be here, so we'll give it a shot of gas down there, see if it fires off, put some fuel in it and see which way's on for this fuel valve, and see if it draws fuel through and just see what it does. So yeah, let's get into it. So another successful Willet run. I do still need to get an air filter for this thing, but that'll be going in before it gets sold. It's already been up on the stump, had its photos taken, and it'll be heading up for sale. It runs pretty well. As you would have heard, it has a stumble and a backfire pop and whatnot now and then, but that's probably just the carby picking up dirt that's in the tank. It runs good enough for what it's honestly going to be used for. It's never going to be used for cutting again, I don't think. These things are just way too big and heavy for that. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.